Methods of improving words. There are 6 methods to improve one's own method of improving words. As human beings, we always pick up words only. So, we must learn sufficient words to speak or to write in English language. Method number 1. Homonyms. This method is introduced only in primary school level. This is called homonyms. For this, some final syllables are selected. To it, single letters, double letters or multiple letters are prefixed to form new words without knowing the meaning of all the words. One should familiar with the method of improving words. Like playway method, the child gets an acquaintance with the words. Take the syllable H and letters prefix as many as it is sensible. Date, fate, gate, hate, late, mate, rate. Bear, dare, care, fair, hair, rare. Method number 2. Synonyms and antonyms. Vocabulary can be built up by learning at one stroke the synonyms and antonyms of words. From this method, one can learn about 10 words under each kind. Not only memorizing words help one to command of English, but also we should acquire and to make use of these words in the right place. Word. Add. Synonym. Annex, encompass, enumerate, include, increase, join, summate. Antonym. Decrease, detach, diminute, lessen, remove, subtract. Concern. Agree, coincide, correspond, confirm, match, tally. Antonym. Differ, disagree, diverse. Jubilant. Blithe, buoyant, delirious, delighted, ecstatic, enraptured, exultant, flushed gay, gleeful, joyful, merry, mirthful, overjoyed, rapturous, rejoicing, radiant. Antonym. Despondent, doleful, melancholic, sad, sorrowful. Method number 3. Changing foreign words. In English, about 60% is borrowed from other languages. The remaining 40% is coined. About 80% of these words are borrowed from Greek, Latin or French languages. Words are coined on the main part or root. To the main part, prefixes are added. Suffixes may also be added. Example. Plica, root word. Latin word meaning to hold. We can improve our vocabulary with the help of these methods by adding prefixes and suffixes. Method number 4. National Spelling Bee of America. The only way to spell correctly is to read carefully, to notice the correct spelling of words, to study the proper order and arrangement of the letters that form the words, and to impress the correct image of the word on the mind. Method number 5. Listing method. Yet another and simpler playway method is to exhaustively list the words topic-wise. Days of the week, 7 only. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Months of the year, 12 only. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Directions, 10 only. North, East, South, West, Northeast, Southeast, Southwest, up and down. Seasons, 4 only. Spring, summer, autumn and winter. Colors, more, here 14. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, brown, magenta, grey, maroon, crimson, purple, white. Precious stones, 9 in all. Diamond, ruby, sapphire, emerald, coral, pearl, sardonyx, topaz, lapis lazuli. The members of the solar family, 10 only. Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, Neptune, Pluto, Saturn, Sun, Uranus, Venus. Method number 6. Cognate word building method. Identify the form of the word. Word clearly. Clearance, clear, clear, clearly, cleaning. Word obedient. Obedience, obedient, obey, obediently, obeying. Word joy. Joy, joyful, enjoy, joyfully, enjoying. Falsehood. Falsehood, false, falsify, falsely. Breaking. Breakage, breakable, break, breaking. King. King, kingly. Really. Reality, real, realize, really, realizing. Attend. Attendance, attentive, attend, attentively, attending. Full. Fullness, full, fulfill, fully, fulfilling. Beggar. Beggar, beggarly, beg, begging. Hate. Hatred, hateful, hate, hating. Red. Red, reddish, redden, reddening. Merciful. Mercy, merciful, mercifully.